Hello everyone, and today we are going to give you a brief introduction about the Growatt TRXH battery ready inverter and also the arc executive batteries and the backup box for TRXH inverter. As you can tell on the top is our TRXH battery ready inverter. The little white box underneath is a backup box. And today we're going to introduce the wiring and all the cablings and wirings between these two inverters and batteries and the backup box. Alright, that's it. So when we open up this backup box, as we can tell, on the very left side is a live cable of the grid, a neutral cable of the grid, and earthing cable of the grid. On the middle side is the inverter side of the live cable, neutral cable, and earthing cable. On this one is the emergency power supply. Okay, this is something very important. You cannot put the whole family load into this output. You can only put the partial of the emergency power supply to this port. It's like the lights, like the garage, like the fridge, and do not put the whole load to this emergency power supply port. Okay, on the very right side is RS485, the communication port is between the backup box and the inverter. Hello everyone, this is probably the most complicated part. This is a communication cable between the backup box, batteries, and also inverters. So as you can tell, this plug got 8 pins, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's actually 3 cables get into these 8 pins. Alright, on this cable is a standard communication cable from our arc executive batteries. So it get like as you can tell here, not that easy, but I'll tell you here, and there's the orange and white one over here, orange and white one connected to pin 1. Okay, pin 1. And also the orange one, the total 100% orange one, is connected to pin 2. And also the brown and the white one, white one over here, connected to pin 7. And the totally brown one over here, as you can tell, is connected to pin 8. Alright, this is the battery cables connection. And then we go to the inverters and backup box. Here pin 3 connected to the pin A of the backup box. The little green component, as you can tell, it got 3 pins. On left side pin A and right side pin B. And the pin 4 of the inverter side, the system COM pin 4 over here. As you can tell, it's over here. The pin 4 of the inverter side connected to pin B. And the last one is the inverters connected to the smart meter. As you can tell here, the pin 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here, the brown one, pin 5 over here, connected to the smart meters pin 10 over here. You know, see the brown one over here. And the pin 6 over here, the blue cable over here, connected to smart meters. The SDM 120 smart meters, pin 9, the blue one is over here, pin 9. Right? That's probably the most complicated part. Once this one is done, should be no problem. After all the installation is done, and you had to do settings through the screen of the inverter. So now you have to enable the backup mode for our inverter. So here to enable backup mode, you have to go to the set parameters. Over here, one click. Okay, double click on here, set parameters, and go to advanced. And double click on here. Yeah, sorry. And go to double click on here and enter the password 123 2 3. Okay, you go to the backup settings. So now the default is disabled. You have to enable this one and to make sure the backup box is finally working. So okay, double click on here, enable. Okay, 230 Australia 230 volt, 50 hertz. All right. Our setting okay. Once this one is done, that means the whole backup box is totally functional. So yeah, that's probably everything for today. Really appreciate for your time. Thank you.